Hello my old school soul food family, Chef Jeff is back with another video. Hey, even though I'm on vacation, I'm happen to be at home. I'm not out on the road trip, on the plane trip. I'm doing a pie. I'm gonna do a segment for the next 6 weeks. You know how I do Friday night cakes? For the next 6 weeks, I'm gonna start doing Friday night pies. And I'm gonna start the pie with a pie. It's so easy, and I grew up on it. I never shared it before with y'all. Like I say, I got so many recipes in my repertoire that I'm going to share with y'all in the next months and years. A lot of these in the upcoming cookbook. It's going to take a lot of cookbooks to get them all in there. So this is one that's in the upcoming cookbook. This is coconut pie, not coconut cream pie, just a regular coconut pie. It is so awesome that the recipe calls for 2 pies. But I guarantee you, 1 pie is not enough when you make this pie and you taste it. 1 pie is not enough. That's why I do the recipe specifically for 2 pies. So anyway, let's get started. Before I get started, I don't say it enough, but people say I don't say it enough. Please comment, follow, subscribe. There's a little red subscribe button there. Please subscribe. Please comment. I love reading comments, y'all. It really makes me feel good. Make sure my work I'm doing is being seen and appreciated. So I really love that. So anyway, let's get started. Very simple. Recipe is in the description of the video. I got sugar here. Self-rising flour. You very seldom see me use self-rising flour, but this recipe I have self-rising flour in it. So I'm going to mix the sugar and flour together really good. Very easy, y'all. I'm going to put my eggs in here. And the buttermilk. Eggs, buttermilk. And I got vanilla in here. You can use coconut flavoring. I use vanilla here and butter flavoring. That's what I'm using in here. Mix this up together. And I'm going to put the melted butter in here. Mix this up. Let's see how easy this is. I'm telling you, y'all, this is so easy. That's why I have to make 2 pies. Because 1 is not going to be enough. Okay, got the eggs and sugar. Pick it up. You don't even need a hand mixer for this. Okay, now I just want to mix it till the sugar, you feel the sugar has dissolved. Then last, you put the coconut in there. Make sure the coconut's all mixed in there good together. And that's it. See how easy that is, y'all. Crazy how easy that is. Okay, now all I'm gonna do, now y'all know I don't make my own pie crust. I can, but I don't. I do a lot of cooking. I'm not gonna waste time in the kitchen making pie crust. So pour it half and half in there. Other half in here. I always get them uneven, don't I? And these pie crusts I pour bake for like 5 minutes. You know I like to pour bake my pie crust. In here. This is deep dish pie shells, y'all. The other one in here. And that's it. See how easy that was? That took 5 minutes. So we're gonna cook it for 325 degrees for 30 minutes. Then after 30 minutes, we're going to kick it up to about 350 for another 5-6 minutes till it get nice brown on top. So we'll be back in 30 minutes. See y'all soon. All right, y'all, we are back. Okay, let's see here. Oh, yeah, look how pretty that is. Like I say, this is the easiest pie y'all will ever make. So what I'm going to do, put them here on the board here. Let them cool off. Cool off right here. You gotta let it cool. I'm gonna let it at least cool at least 3 or 4 hours before I cut it. You see it's got a little jiggle, just a little jiggle in it, not much. So it's gonna carry over. So yeah. So it's nice, beautiful coconut pie there. That's a recipe I've never done before. I've done it. I cooked it many times, but I never shared it with y'all before. So yeah. So we'll be right back in about 3 hours. I'll cut a piece and we'll see how it comes out. I already know how it comes out, but oh, excuse me for I'm thinking about it. When I was mixing everything up, y'all, like I told you, I'm on vacation. I don't have a crew right now. I don't have a cameraman and all that. Tell me how to stand and all that. And I saw I was in the way when I was mixing, so excuse me for that. So anyway, y'all have to bear with me until the end of this month is over, and I'll have my crew back and kind of guide me through my videos. So I'm working alone right now. So anyway, I'll be back in about 3 hours. We'll cut this up and see how it is. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, we let this cool. Now let's cut this up here. Let's see what we got here. Let's see, it's coconut, so I'll smooth as cut as I can. Oh yeah. Look at this, look at this. I like this little part in here too, y'all. Look at that. Oh my God. Like I say, y'all, if you like coconut, you're gonna love this pie. Very simple, creamy. Man, I got coconut in that. One pie not gonna last at your house. That's why I got the recipe makes two. Look at that. Like I say, try this recipe. Very easy. Very delicious. Okay, that's the end of this video. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing pies every Friday night for the next maybe month and a half. So this is the first one of maybe 6 more to come. So anyway, like I close every video, follow my other social media account, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day.